Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a POCO X8 Pro and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. Yeah, so I find changing the ringtone in this model quite complicated. So I'll try to do my best and I'll try to explain everything. So let's start with opening the settings. Then let's scroll down and find sound and vibration. And as you can see right here, we've got those highlighted options, so just tap on ringtone. And now we've been transferred to the themes. So it is a separate app in which we can download ringtones and also wallpapers, widgets, etc. So a lot of things, but we were transferred to the ringtone section. And basically, if you want to download the ringtone, all you have to do is to scroll down, and as you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from. So rock, jazz, hip hop. Here we've got also different themes of leisure time, some kind of vibrant accents. We've got also hits, music for every mood, best beats, happy hits, a lot of things to choose from. And I think I will pick something from those, from themes, but I also wanted to show you how to set the ringtone from the pre-installed ringtones, because even though we were directly transferred to the themes, your device still has pre-installed ringtones. So what we have to do, we can either tap on choose local ringtone right here, give all the permissions, of course. However, we will select the tone from the recorder, audio files and music, which is great because you can still download something, for example, from the internet, and you will be able to use it and set it as your ringtone, or you can record something and also set it as your ringtone. So this is the local ringtone. And here we've got also pre-installed ringtones that are really, really pre-installed. So here again, we have to choose the ringtone. And as you can see, finally, we've got the system ringtones that are pre-installed. So all we have to do here is to simply go through them and tap on them and check whether we like them or not. So for example, ice latte. And okay, here, unfortunately, whenever you will tap on the ringtone, it will be immediately applied. As you can see, it is ticked, which means that it was applied. Same with, for example, this one, etc. Oh, those ads. Oh my God, shame. Okay, all right. Moreover, at the very top, you've got the option Don't Set Ringtone, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. That's what you can do here. Or you can set Default Ringtone. Oh my God, again. Yeah, so this is how it works. But let me actually come back to the themes, because I think I would like to choose something from the themes. Tap on ringtone right here if you've accidentally were transferred to wallpapers. And here, let me choose maybe, I don't know, maybe happy. I'm quite happy today. Maybe this one. So if you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to tap on it. And then you will be able to check whether you like it or not. So let's pretend I'd like to set Happy 3 Friends as my ringtone. So all we have to do is to tap on this bell icon on it. And now we can decide where we want to set it. So as a ringtone, notification, alarm, etc. So let me choose ringtone. Your device needs to download the ringtone, and here we've got the information that it was applied successfully, finally. So remember, Happy 3 Friends. Now we can go back to the settings. Maybe like that. No, maybe not really. Okay. Let's go back to the settings. Let's go to the sound and vibration. And as you can see here, we've got a ringtone section and we've got Happy 3 Friends, which means that we just successfully applied our ringtone. Finally. All right, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.